house. Many families in London live in flats, but most people live in their own houses in the suburbs. We too have a house in a London suburb. We bought it about 15 years ago when we got married. Like most of London's suburban houses, it consists of only 2 floors, the ground floor and the first floor. On the ground floor there is the dining room, the lounge or sitting room, the kitchen and the hall. In the hall we see a stand for hats, coats and umbrellas. A staircase leads from the hall to the landing on the first floor. On this floor there are 4 bedrooms, a bathroom and a lavatory. On top of the roof there are 3 chimneys. In front of the house we have a small garden in which we grow flowers, roses, tulips and so on. At the back of the house there is a much larger garden with a lawn and some fruit trees. There is also a vegetable garden where we grow all kinds of vegetables, such as potatoes, cabbages, cauliflowers, onions and tomatoes. At the side of the house is a garage where I keep my car. The garden is enclosed by a fence with a gate in it. Conversation.
Now, let's have a talk about our house. Can you tell me where we live?
Yes, I can. You live in a house in the suburbs of London.
Quite right. Now tell me, is it a large house or a small one?
Well, it's neither very large nor very small.
When did I buy it?
You bought it about 15 years ago.
Is there a garage?
Yes, there is.
How many rooms are there in the house?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7, including the kitchen.
Are the bedrooms upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs, on the first floor.
Which rooms are on the ground floor?
The dining room, the lounge and the kitchen.
Have we got a garden?
Yes, you have.
Where do the flowers grow?
In the front garden.
Are there any fruit trees there?
No, there aren't. They're in the back garden.
Have we got many fruit trees?
No, not many, just a few.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do, very much. Especially pears and apples.